Yes, you're welcome back to my channel, my AutoCAD learners. Today, today I will be showing how to create a door. And where we stopped last time was on creation of this simple plan. So our plan will never be complete until we create doors and windows and do dimensioning. So today we are going to be creating our door. But before we continue, before we head onto that, I will need to change the color of this wall. I discovered that my last class, this wall wasn't that visible. I received a complaint from one of you. We simply do that, and this will also show you the importance of drawing with layers. So I'm going to come here in my layer and change this color. And once I do that, it affects everything. Everything changes the same time. So I'll just choose another color. Let me say this color. Yes, orange color. At the same time, that's the beauty of drawing in layers. If I didn't create this layer from onset, I would have start matching properties from beginning to end, and which will take ample time. So but I don't think I like this color. You can choose let me see this one. Which color now? Don't like this color too. Okay, let me simply use white. White will be good. Yeah, that's good. So okay, let's start from here. To create a door, I need a door this side. So I will simply offset let me say 200 from this wall. Then my door width is going to be 900 mm. That's that. I will trim TR for trim. Click trim it off. Yes, that's good. Then I want the door to swing to this direction from my right to left. So I'm going to create a line. Enter. So I'll click on this arc that has 3 points. This 3 point means you must click at 3 places before this arc will appear. So I'm going to click on it. So the first point I'll click is here. Then click on the second point here, this place, and the third point will be this place. And that's that. This is our door. Yes, this is how to create door. So if you want to make it look more better, you can add the frame of the door, offset 75 from here. That's good. Then you can now extend EX for extend this one. That's that. Then this is our door. We also need to create a layer for our door, so that because as it is now, it has the same layer with our wall, which is not proper. So we simply do that, create layer. So to do that, we click on layer property, we click on new layer, give it a name, door. We look for a color. I would like to use 132 color, 132, 132, 132, 132. Yes. Click OK. Then the line weight 0.09. The block wall should be thicker than doors and windows. My wall is 0.25, so my door should be 0.09. Is alright. Then double click to make it active. Then any line I draw now will take up that property. Then I will simply match the property to my door. That's good. So we can create more doors, but that's simply how to create doors. So we end here. In our next class, we do window creation. We'll be taking it bit by bit so that you don't get confused. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm going to teach everything about AutoCAD. I will be dropping it on my channel, so stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.